It is so cold. Oh, I could not get up this morning. It's President's Day today, so it's gonna be a short day today. But right now, price is kind of just consolidating in this area right here. But it could just be making a high and then now making a higher low to continue higher. Okay. Looks like there's some decent retracement going on here. I mean, hindsight, it kind of made sense it was gonna dump. I mean, like, this S&T was clear indication, right? It's just like that entry. Where's the entry? You just go short here? Could this be the bottom? Could this be the bottom? Could see a closure here, maybe a fair value gap, something like this. It's a cheap trade. Should I call bottom here? Thoughts? I kind of want to take this. Let's do it. I'll try it. Stops below here. Okay, and we just wait. It's also during 6:45, which is normally where the reversal kind of happens. But I want to see it disrespect this 1 minute fair value gap right here. Closure above it, guaranteed bullish. I mean, we closed above 50% of it though, which is a good sign. Though I do think I can move my stops up because this should be a protected low by now. 71K volume on NQ, 73K. Liquidity sweep. Ooh, took out all the lows below these lows. Alright, here we go. Push. I want to put my stops up to here because this should be the liquidity sweep. Like, it should not go below here. Leave my stops to below this low right here and then let the trade play out. Because if I stop out now manually and then it works, I'll be pissed, you know? And I'm only risking like $100. We're officially in the 15-minute fair value gap territory right now. Again, ooh, and it closed above this fair value gap as well. Break even, risk-free trade. Break even or I win for sure. Kind of tempted to move my TP a little bit lower, so like that. It's about $500. Considering how the market is moving, I'm just gonna move my stops to this fair value gap right here. Fair value gaps are draws on liquidity. We'll just leave it at that. I mean, you can't complain with 500 too, especially on a day like today. Let's go. Let's go. 500 on the dot. Let's go. Over 45 minutes. Super long trade, slow grind up. I'm okay with this stop. I'm glad I moved my TP down because, I mean, it could go up. You know what I mean? Like, we're disrespecting this 15-minute fair value gap right now. But, like, honestly, this 1 minute gap is also a draw and it could be a wall and it could just reject from there. And price looks like, okay, there's no S&T. It could go higher, but I'm okay with that. $500 on the day, well, $4.99, all good too. So the trade was pretty solid in my opinion. There wasn't an SMT, or there was low-key an SMT right here. Like, these made equal lows. This made a lower low. So I'm okay, maybe this is where we reverse. Maybe this is the bottom right now. So I waited for a price to close above this high right here, and it did, because this is a breaker. Lower high, lower low, higher high, back into the breaker to continue higher. After this candle closed, I entered right there, stops below the lows, conservative stop, and price just slowly grinded its way to the upside. Slow grind, slow day, low volume, but I recognized that we're in buy program, wasn't freaked out of the trade. Low-key was kind of close, and we're pumping higher. Now who cares? It's all good. Oh, my TP would have been hit. It's okay. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Who cares? Doesn't matter. We're done. Yeah. See you guys tomorrow.